I'm in a little bit of a pickle, guys. I have to delete my YouTube channel. Let me finish, if I don't solve this Rubik's Cube in like 3 days, because I made this stupid ass bet 3 years ago where I was looking through old stuff and I came across this and I said randomly. But no, I am gonna solve it one. I promise you guys. If I don't solve this, then I will delete my channel. If I don't solve this in 3 years. Fast forward 3 years to now, here I am, haven't solved Rubik's Cube, still on YouTube, so that kind of sucks. I thought maybe I wouldn't be on YouTube anymore. 1,000 days is a lot of time, I don't know. So I have a couple of options. One, I could delete my channel and get a job maybe. I can do like maybe commercial work, try some acting and resell stuff on eBay, I don't know. Like Gary Vee, buy Hot Wheels, I don't know. I could try to do Unsatisfied maybe. The second option, I just pussy out, just completely bitch out and ignore this whole thing and just keep making YouTube videos, which would be pretty lame, honestly. And I would just ignore all the comments that say, hey, you're supposed to delete your channel, you stupid bitch. And the third option is, I solve this motherfucker. I learn the algorithm. I solve it right before I have to delete my channel. So I think I'm gonna try to solve this Rubik's Cube so that I don't have to resell stuff on Amazon or eBay or whatever for a couple more years at least. It'd be cool. It'd be cool to do YouTube for a couple more years and then we can talk about other stuff. So I'm gonna solve this. I'm gonna learn how to solve this and then we can fucking do the tango.
Channel gone?
Yeah, I have to delete my channel.
Imagine.
You're using it. It's designed for getting in this position, edge to go. Full example. Hold on.
Shit.
And then do it again, like this.
Shit. Slow down.
Once the cross is done, just like with the first cross.
This is really hard. But I'm not giving up.
No light.
There's no light.
Holden's being initiated into the family, which means we take him to breakfast at the Chinese restaurant. Chinese.
Dim sum?
Dim sum.
There's some good ass dumplings.
Mama, too fancy.
Fancy today.
That's where I get it from. My mom's always dressed in the fanciest clothes. And my dad?
That is special.
You get the pants on your dad.
Yeah. The dad jeans. So you've never had dim sum before?
I don't even know what dim sum is. This is fancy.
This is like the secret gem of Asian people. It's like the secret society.
Are we on set of Rush Hour 4?
Yeah. We smuggled in a white person.
That's why they put us in a corner. Hairy things.
What's with that hairy stuff?
What?
What's with that hairy stuff?
Move on.
The Camtero? Okay.
If you want to be real neat about it, when you got a bone in here, you go like this.
Oh, tap out. Well, thanks for watching. Initiating our white friend into Chinese culture. Road trip! Yeah! Road trip!
Oh, fuck yeah!
Is this what we were going for?
No. So it appears that it's closed. There's a sign that says, sorry, we're closed, no trespassing. And of course, you know, we're gonna respect that and come back another time and, you know, not try to illegally open the gate and trespass while obviously the hours are closed. Like, we would never do such a thing.
Are you here to meditate?
Excuse me, sir. Is this closed?
What's your name?
Abraham.
Oh, we've been expecting you, Abraham. Please go ahead. Your meditation instructor will be waiting for you.
All right.
I don't know. My mom runs this fucking.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're chill.
Yeah, dude.
Jerry's bringing us to the meditation temple. I just felt like I needed to get out of LA, find balance in my life. I'm not good at puzzles at all. I'm actually really bad. This is going to be very mentally stimulating for me. It's going to be a challenge, but I'm going to work as hard as I can every day here on out to solve this thing. I don't care if it takes an hour. I don't care if it takes days. I am going to solve this. Okay? Hard work, dedication, meditation, vibration, simulation, master. Get down here, fool. Don't make me climb up there.
Wait, he was up there?
Yeah,
He jumped on a tree?
I've never seen a cat in a tree like that.
That's so funny.
Run.
Get him, fool.
Oh god, I think he's good actually.
Get him.
Ready? Oh, you
Whoa.
ass.
Gosh.
Alright, just make fun of me now. Oh, sick ass cat.
Alright, so basically what you're gonna do, well this one's flipped up, so you see how it's like orange and blue? So we gotta get it flipped. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna do lefty algorithm, and then you're gonna turn the cube to the right, and then you're gonna do righty algorithm. You got it?
Hi, yes. Hi, yes. I was just wondering if you guys still have that job available for McDonald's. Okay, as you can see, we're utilizing my notepad here. All the combos. We have up, left, down, right for the righty algorithm.
Yeah.
And we have up, right, down, left for the lefty algorithm.
And that
Is this freaking Grand Theft Auto?
yeah, that should give
Yeah,
you 5
Robocop.
stars instantly.
5 stars.
Yeah, and this one will take the 5 stars away.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Up, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right.
Down, you're done.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Dude, that's crazy. There's no way I'm gonna do that. I guess I'm retiring from YouTube.
Stay at McDonald's.
Dude, how funny would that be if you just like work there for a day and
Actually, just apply.
yeah. Second step, you're gonna move the edges to the corresponding color and turn it twice. And then you're gonna be doing righty algorithm twice, then lefty algorithm, turn the cube forward twice, righty algorithm, lefty algorithm. That should be it for the third step. You think you got it down? Chris?
Huh? Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, alright.
My head hurts. My brain, my tiny little brain. Okay, I just wrote it. Fuck. I need to take a break. Five. Finally.
Oh, we have a channel back.
The channel. We're not
The channel's back.
Was it all skill or was it luck?
Oh, I messed up a bunch of times. I had to fix it.
Oh my god. that's
Oh my
good.
gosh, that took so damn long. My head. 3 years later.
3 years later.
Talk about saving it to the last minute, huh?
It's done before
It took me, I've been trying it for the past 2 days. Like I kept having to go back and like see what I was doing wrong or whatever. Until now.
We did it.
Did it. Thank you guys for reminding me about the challenge. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying along all these years. If you've been here for a while.
Let's celebrate.
What do you want to
Let's go eat.
do? All right.
I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck.
Here I am sitting in the same spot, same room, 3 years later, just solved the Rubik's Cube. I feel like I literally just time traveled because I'm wearing the same thing too. I feel like I just made that bet and time just skipped and I'm just sitting here now. I'm like, oh my God.